Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Close Friends feature on Instagram in just simple ways. So, let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once your profile opens, tap on the three lines icon at the top right. Here, scroll down a little and tap on Close Friends. Now your followers list will appear on the screen. Simply select the friends you want to add to your Close Friends list. After selecting them, tap on Done at the bottom. Your Close Friends list is now ready. Now go back to your profile page and tap on the story. This will open your phone gallery. Select any photo or video you want to share as your story. After selecting it, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Close Friends. Your story will now be shared only with the people you added to your Close Friends list, and they'll see a green circle around your story. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.